Hey guys, Waterfowler41 here. In today's really quick video, because it's only 5 degrees in my garage right now, we're going to be installing some cap covers on my truck. So if you've been following my Instagram, you know a couple weeks ago, my truck was selected to be in the Boomba Racing 2025 calendar. So here's my beautiful truck. February 2025 model. I was eligible because I am actually using their BOV spacer, so the blow off valve spacer, which gives me that nice whoosh every time the turbo lets off and that boost needs to evacuate the system. But anyway, with winning that contest or that calendar position, I also got a $25 gift card. So I went ahead and spent it on a couple of cap covers. So these are covers that will go on top of the radiator overflow cap here and then the brake fluid cap back there. Very simple. It basically just pops right up on top and there's set screws on each side. You tighten those set screws and you're going to give your truck a nice clean look. Is it totally functional? Not really. I mean, it's not going to change any sort of operational thing on my truck, but I had a gift card to burn. And I think the silver caps are going to look nice underneath the truck. They also have red, blue, and black. I went with silver because that's the color of my spacer, and I just feel like silver is a nice universal color. So if and when I sell my truck and I need to get rid of those parts, I can offload those, and probably other folks are going to appreciate the color. All right, so I have the cap covers out of the bag. This is what they look like. So this is the brake fluid cover. As you can see, it just pops on over top of the factory one, and then there's some set screws right along the outside edge of it, and you tighten those down, it holds onto the cap. Then you could just use this as your main cap to unscrew and screw everything on. You don't need to remove it in order to get access to the reservoir. And then here is a radiator fluid overflow cap cover, and you can see it's milled out so it fits right on top of your factory cover there. So again, it's super simple. Both of them come with a hex key, so all you gotta do is tighten down those set screws. You don't need to get crazy tight with them. They are going into plastic, just enough to hold everything on there. And like I said, the silver I thought was a nice universal color. It goes with everything, matches the band clamps on all of my CVS stuff, and just looks nice. Red, blue, black also would have looked nice as well. I just think this is a timeless look. So let's go ahead and get these guys installed, take a look at the final product, and shut this one down. All right, so here is our radiator fluid reservoir cap. That one's installed, looking good. Boomba's etched in the top there as well as the pressures. And then if we go back to the back of the engine bay, you can see the brake fluid reservoir cap as well. So like I said, they are caps that cover the factory caps, but they're still functional. You can see I can still loosen and tighten everything down. There's 3 set screws on each one, and then everything just kind of holds into place with friction. They look great. Adds a little bit of pop to the engine bay. Again, it's not adding any sort of functional benefit other than the fact that when I pop the hood and I see it, I think it looks pretty dope, and I had that gift card to burn, so figure why not. Anyway, they also have a few other little dress-up components. Maybe we do those as well. But again, all this started because I have their Boomba blow-off valve spacer, which I will leave a link to that video as well in the description, as well as a link to these guys if you are interested in them. Again, silver is what I went with, but black, blue, red is also what they have. Very easy to install, and a nice little pop on your engine bay on your Raptor. So with that said, thank you very much for watching. Appreciate it. Have a good one. Bye.